Hi guys, and welcome to the Tattooed Sewer. So today I have got my most glamorous assistant Tracy. We are going to be doing a demonstration on how to do a first fitting for when you want to make your own garment. So I am now going to measure Tracy and I'm going to talk you through the different stages of what you need to do. So first of all, we are going to take our bust measurement. So you need to get your glamorous assistant like Tracy to stand still with her arms down, looking straight forward. So I'm just going to move around the front of you there. Okay, so you need to go around the fullest part of the bust, meet in the middle and take your measurement from there. You don't need to pull it too tight or have it too baggy because you won't get a proper measurement. And then you just need to write down on your form your measurements as you go along so you don't forget. So next we are going to do waist. Okay, if you just put your arms down, thank you. Okay, now we are going to do the hips, and again it is at the widest part of the hip. Okay, and now we are going to do around the top of the thigh. Again, you need to have the widest part. Now to the top of your arms. Another important measurement to do is from the nape, which is here at the back of the neck. So this is where your garment will sit along here, and you need to take one from this point down to the waist, and then from the point of the waist down to hem. And then you need to go from your shoulder bone all the way down to the floor. Okay, now we're on to the arm measurement. Now you can do two different types of arm measurement. So from the top of the shoulder with the arm straight, I would always recommend you do it to the top of the thumb, so the first knuckle on the thumb, because if you do jackets or anything like that, that is ideally where the cuff should sit. Okay, so if you're going to be making something like a jacket, you're then going to need to take an arm measurement where your arm is bent, so that you've got freedom to move your jacket without it pulling up. So again, I would take that to the first knuckle on the thumb. Now all these measurements you won't need necessarily for each garment that you make. Like for instance, I'm going to be making Tracy a 60s style dress that isn't fitted at the waist, so I will need her bust measurement and the shoulder measurements. It will be short sleeved and it won't be full length. So what I will do is, for the next fitting, I will make up the basic garment, and we will then have a second fitting where we can decide the length of the skirt that she wants. So I will make it longer, knowing that I'm going to make it shorter, so that once she's got it on she can decide what length she wants it. And we will do the same with the sleeves, so Tracy can make the decision of where she prefers the sleeves to be.
Lovely.
Okay?
Yeah.
So that is how you take a first set of measurements for your first fitting. And then we will be doing another video together where we will do the second fitting, and then we will do the last one, which is the final fit, where she will try on the final dress and hopefully be very happy.
I'll be extremely happy.
Yeah. So that's it from us guys. Take care.
Bye. Bye.